Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the After Service Sales Manager with Travelpro, and in this series we're going to be discussing basic repairs you can complete at home. Just note, if you have any issue with a repair, we have authorized repair centers across the country that can help. Just visit us at www.travelpro.com under the Customer Care tab, and we'll be there to assist. With that said, let's begin. Today's repair is going to be the zipper pull. Now, the great feature about Travelpro zipper pulls is that they actually pull off with pressure. This is a safety feature to protect the bag from damage. In case it gets stuck and tugged, it will allow the zipper to not be completely torn. The tools you'll need for this repair is a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and any kind of sheet of paper. Great, so the first step, we're going to take our flathead screwdriver and we're just going to want to loosen up the gap right here. This is so that we can slide the new zipper pull in. So we'll open the bag slightly just to kind of brace, and then we'll just slide this right underneath, and then you'll just gently open the gap a little wider. Then we're going to take the zipper pull that we sent to you via mail. If you haven't received one, please reach out to us, www.travelpro.com. We'll be more than happy to send you a zipper pull. We're going to put that in the gap. It should slide over very neatly. Now you want to make sure the zipper pull is laying on the opposite side of the gap. From there, we're going to take our plier and our sheet of paper. Now from here, what we're going to do is put the little piece of paper right on top. This is just to prevent any damage to the actual zipper from scratching. We're going to put the plier inside of the bag, and then we're going to apply just a little bit of pressure. And this is one thing where you might want to just check on it check on it as you go. You just want to make sure it's just enough to prevent it from coming off, but not too much where it's completely closed. So that completes today's repair. I want to thank you for watching. Just note, if you had any issues on this repair, our authorized repair centers can assist, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for choosing Travelpro, and we'll see you on the next one.